application training video series. This video will show you how to install the mobile application from the Google Play Store. From your Android device, open the Play Store and go to the search button at the top. Type in SkyeTec Mobile and look for this option here with the SkyeTec logo as the thumbnail. Select this and then tap Install. The mobile application will begin to install on your device. After the application is finished installing, select Open, and you will be taken to the login page of the application. From here, you will type in your credentials, and afterwards, log in. When doing so, always verify the version number to make sure that you are using the current build. The first time that you log in, the mobile application will need to update the questions, areas, and categories for our finding inspections, such as quality check, cert IRs, and trim IRs. After logging into the mobile application, you will be taken to the default work orders page, where your currently scheduled work will appear. Selecting the menu on the top left will show other options for you to choose from. Completed work orders is where all successfully finished jobs will appear. Jobs will appear with or without a check mark. If the job has a check mark, it means that it has been sent off to SkyeTrack and you have nothing to worry about. If you see jobs listed here without a check mark, you will have to press the sync button in the top right. Manual sync is where you will go whenever changes are made to contact information, findings questions, or jobs are added or removed from your schedule. The About page offers 3 buttons: Learn More, which takes you to our company's website; Email, which will allow you to email application support directly through the mobile application; or call our toll-free hot number. Selecting Email Application Support will open up your preferred mail application. Here, you can type up anything that you need to relate to SkyeTec IT. Selecting Call will open the phone's dialer, allowing you to call SkyeTec's hotline for the IT department directly.